hope no one dumps on me for these gloves, but it's freezing here. It's like 15 degrees in this tent. The little electric heater doesn't even get up to past 30, so I'm doing this quick. But we are replacing these tires here. We've got to take these off. We got new rubber, but can keep the rims. But I'm surprised he's even made it back here. It's about 40 miles. Just fingers crossed the entire way. So can pop those off today and then get them swapped out, be ready to go. The other thing we got to figure out too is the lower unit is currently stuck. I don't know why. Got to dig into it a little bit more. Outboard shifted in forward. All the nuts are out. There are 5 of them. So I'm not quite sure what's going on, but I feel like after all the years doing this, luck might have caught up to us. A couple things I noticed when I went to go look at the boat, which made me second guess some of the things, was one, the steering was unhooked. The couple of these nuts were pretty loose when I went to take them off. Like didn't take much pressure at all to pop them, so it's almost like someone tried to do this before but couldn't. So might be selling this outboard for parts, so we can't drop it. So we got it running, but it just was not pumping water no matter what we did, even when we tried to force the water through with the muffs. So I have to tackle that one in a little bit. But first, gonna get this trailer jacked up. Honestly, this bottle jack is the best thing I ever bought. Probably like 10, 15 years ago. It was a Walmart purchase. Emergency, stuck on the side of the road, had to get it in upstate New York. So, have had it with me ever since. So, let's see if we can get enough purchase here. All the ground's completely frozen, so it's not too bad. Normally it'd be sinking into the grass. Of course, I got my new nice pants on, so it's freaking can't lay on the ground or anything. My wife will kill me. Let's see what we're working with. If we can get this up enough. Alright. Been spraying these things with WD-40 for a long time too, so it should already be somewhat loose. Did that in the driveway before. Yeah. You know, it should get the freaking. The other great thing I bought a few years ago was the adapter for the drill, for the socket set, which has been a game changer. So these gloves are gonna get freaking trashed. Oh, these are cold though. This is gonna be shitty. Alright. Here we go. I mean, these tires do still hold air, but not gonna be great if you want to go any distance. What the frick is up with this one? Alright, go back in your home. Alright, what the hell? Striking out freaking. You know, as it normally goes, what you think is going to be a 10-15 minute job, I can already tell, is going to be about half an hour, 45 minutes. The kids will be awake by then, screaming. Jesus. Fucking A. Alright. 9 more to go. also be a good time too when this is jacked up. Take a look at the bearings and stuff, because before we sell this, plan on using it a decent amount around here, up in Maine, Connecticut, Lake Ontario area, Finger Lakes, trail it around different lakes. So make sure the bearings and everything are good to go as well. Alright, put these here so I don't lose them. Yeah, I should have gotten the drill setup going, because this is taking wrong one. Yeah, always helps to use the right size. God, freaking. Oh, guess she's taking off more pressure. Huh. Jesus. We already do have the cinder blocks under there, so take the pressure off here, go get a piece of wood, level it out some. All right. There we go. Let's see if we can get it out with a hump in the grass. Shit, I'm maxed out too on that. Let's see. There we go. Yeah, I don't know if you guys see that very well, but completely dry rotted, cracked all over the place. So get some new ones. Bearings actually sound pretty good, and they didn't heat up at all when I brought the boat back. Granted, it wasn't that long of a trip, and we weren't going that fast, but not too bad. I don't know, we'll pop those off, those berry buttons off, and take a look at them. All right, go get a piece of wood to put in there. Running low on blocking because the whaler outrage is blocked up the side yard right now while we hunt for a trailer for that. So let's see what we're working with here. One, that's good enough for me. Drop this guy and go to the other side. There we go. All right. Well, I'm not going to show you guys doing the other one because it's going to be the exact same thing. So, show you guys once we put the new tires on. All right, a couple more ditch efforts here. Yeah, that's not working. It's gonna spin on me because I freaking got the